So another money making airdrop video I'm going to show you. So never be freak out. I'm saying never be bored, because my video is not evergreen, but my video is not interesting, not editing type of thing, but it's screen video. But a lot of thing you will learn from this video because it is an educational video. It is not entertainment and not time wasting video. Okay, so anyhow, maybe I'm going to say you that keep in mind you are not wasting time here. You are learning about blockchain, and you are as well as you are earning here. There is no time wasting. So I'm going to show you today Nubila airdrop. So here is couple of investment, couple of investor they invested into this Nubila project. You are seeing here. Maybe some investors but here is I don't know any biggest company, but anyhow they are raised. Maybe here is not existence, that is you can see on. Okay, how much they rise I'm going to show you. Anyhow, their funding is rising. It is not small. It is 2.5 million dollar their fund rising. So and until the testnet Europe end, at the time maybe it will be so much bigger than now. Okay, so never consider their funding, but funding is still now is good. So how do you participate? I will show you today. Come into Telegram if you don't yet. Check out this video's description box. You will find the link of our Telegram channel. So I will not waste your time here. So let's get started. So first, what we need to do is just see blue written by word. Here is here, and here is here. So copy the first one because first thing first. Okay, so copy this on and copy link and paste your browser where you have set up your Glax wallet. If you don't have, never be freak out. You paste on there where you have your MetaMask. Okay, so I'm pasting here. Okay, sorry, I'm pasting my this browser. Here I have my MetaMask as well as my Glax setup. So if you don't have MetaMask, if you don't have Glax, what you need to do is just walk through this link and everything would be set up automatically. Okay, while you participate, never be fearful because while I had not anything about like Glax, MetaMask, what I did, I just grab the link and paste on my browser, and they said, oh, can't connect your wallet, and I click on connect wallet and they showed me MetaMask, OKX. So I choose MetaMask. I add extension on my browser and I create MetaMask. Okay, and after they said that, oh, you need Twitter, connect your Twitter with Lex. They said you need to connect your Telegram. They said you need to connect your Discord. So very frequent. Okay, so one thing interesting here, staying on there and suddenly MetaMask get notified. Okay, so this is the power of Web3. Okay, so here is putting my password that I set it up while I create my MetaMask. Everybody knows it. Those who relatives with cryptocurrency. Okay, so here is it is loading, and I'm going to connect my number 3 account because it is my 3 number account. Okay, so never will freak out about anything at all. So if you are kind of guy who are willing to know about more about crypto type of thing, Airdrop, testnet, so feel free to reach out me. Every information is provided into description box. Okay, so now here is I'm going to work one by one. I will show you everything. Okay, maybe it will be longer video, so I'm clicking on the first link. Here is intending to follow on their Twitter. Yeah, I'm going through their link, and here is slightly network problem I'm facing, but never be freak out, it will be solved. Sorry for staying in my room, because if I go out of my room, what will happen, I'm slightly, I'm not shy, because out of my room now is dark mode. Okay, I'm now I'm going to go again manual in the circle button. What happened? Ah, okay, let me see it. Which account I connected? Okay, the account has perfect. Okay, I'm coming back because it is doing problem. So yeah, I'm going to go this task with you. So I'm clicking on the first task. So here is it is intending to follow on their Twitter. So I'm trying to initiate this task again. So here is I'm doing follow, and I'm again doing come back instead of here, and here is I'm doing click on the circle, so it will be immediately done. If you connected your Twitter and if you do follow with right Twitter, and everything would be perfect. So for checking your Twitter is everything is okay, click on that link and click on setting and click on social account. You will see on here. So have the member role in Nubila Discord server. Okay, so how do you join? I'm showing you. Click on there and your Discord would be open up. Okay, and what you need to do is say it's simple. Okay, it's not complicated. I'm just showing you, make you just sure that you participating the right way, along the right way. Okay, so here is it is opening. I already said you never be freak out, never be fuck up while you face any tough, difficult, challenging moment. Okay, here is I am. Same way you do, no problem. So here is click on this little tick, mark button, a green mark button. Everything would be done. Okay, your entire channel has been open. So now nothing you need to do here, just click this tab button, and if you click on here and click in this circle, it will be immediately completed for you. So as simple as that. Okay, so visit the Nubila medium page. Okay, click on there, and here is Glax is the platform. No platform is want. Their scam, like some scam happened with their customer, because we are now customer of Glax. So we are going to go out of this Glax website. So here is we are going to go this website. So they say it risk warning, everything is depend upon you, check out, but we are not we are not responsible for your action. So this type of thing they are saying. Okay, Glax saying. So okay, we are not worried about that. Medium is the platform again, so we already know, but it is good for every platform say this. Be aware from potential scam. Okay, so here is it is opening. It will take slightly. Okay, not okay. Now after opening, what you need to do, just click on this button, come back here, just you need to visit on there. So after visiting, it will be done immediately. So it is loading. Okay, it is done. So go to it, the tweet and mention to friend. So go through again Twitter, and where is we are seeing that it is opening MetaMask, and here is they say that you need to mention to friend. Okay, just mention to friend like I'm did like this way. I did three, just copy paste. Okay, and click on their post, bam. So it is time to come back on their website. In order to accomplish, tap on the circle button and done, work has been done. So every work is done. Okay, every work is done step by step. Okay, uh, so go to it and mention to friend. So click on there, and perfectly everything is happening perfectly, but uh, yeah, it's sometime has where this type of task is being done perfectly, but I got a lot of time that at that time airdrop wasn't easy. it's so tough to participate this type of thing. Okay, so but never be freak out. It's teach you how to be patient. Okay, how to be, you know persistent mindset. Okay, so anyhow, go to come back again on the clocks series last task. So if I click on here, it will be pop up here. Okay, I'm showing you. Like, okay, so here is switch to polygon. You are seeing here inside of here switch to polygon. Okay, switch to polygon. Check out your metamask inside of here, and metamask get notify right away. Anyhow, so here is we are. What you need to do is just meet the NFT. Okay, so I did switch my account. Now claim an odd and 10 points. So click on there and frequent. Okay, waiting for confirmation and check your metamask. Okay, in order to done this task. So here is definitely metamask will get notification, will get notified by you. So here is I'm trying to as efficiently as I can done this work. So I want to help you if you be freak out about any airdrop. Okay, so I've already pinned in Telegram, you know July airdrop. Okay, so I started. Okay, so in now it is ongoing is July. Okay, it's July month. So July month airdrop, um did specific. Okay, for you in order to, okay, you need to have, little bit matic here. Okay, I haven't, therefore I'm not going to claim this thing. So I'm come back again. So I transfer 0.2 matic on my other wallet, and here is I'm trying to done this work. Okay, just you need to have it is like you don't need to spend anything here, just you need to have inside of your wallet. Okay, just claim on wallet now. So let me see, maybe it will be it will be done, now. Okay, transaction cancelled again. Okay, now you can check out your metamask. Okay, so claim again here. Oh, it is claimed. You don't need to do anything at all. Okay, it is claimed automatically. So if you noticed here, it is claimed in the down of the dark right and by. So here is I am. So I already claimed that. So you done this work. While they put you the eligibility, claim the token. At that time, what you need to do, just connect same wallet that you done by on their Glax task, and you can be eligible, you can be claim their token anyhow. So we done this work, this one. Okay, so this one is remain and getting claim. You have to put your email. You don't need to do anything. Okay, do over extra work that will help you push you to being eligible more. Okay, so Nubila OG revelation. So I'm going to do this task, copy link and go through same browser, because you need to do the all of work that I put it here to Glax task. Use same wallet in order to being eligible. Okay, never be freaked out about it. Keep in mind all the time, if you want to do multiple account for doing airdrop, keep in mind use one wallet by doing all of tasks. So here is couple of tasks already done because we did before. So have the member role in Nubila Discord server. So let me see, is that done or not? So yeah, it is done. So the to mention, let me see it is done or not. So okay, it is not done. So let me see, let me do it now. So we are going to follow their instruction now on the Twitter. So here is, I'm going to go to it. You need to read like this way, uh, and you can do it manually. I just did copy and paste, and that's it. So now you can come back into their Glax, you know, one board where we need to do the work. So here is, it is loading fuck up, all the time. Okay, it is not, it is our new, I'm going to, okay, I'm going to get the Nubila. So here we claimed it, we claimed it. Let me see it. It is done. It is done. So here is, okay, I'm thinking that 5 points. We got 35 points. Congratulations, those who get. So if you don't get, okay, if you get it, please write down comment of this video and check out video description box and come into our Telegram here. So we already, okay, we done this task. So next video I will show you this one. Okay, so see you later on there. Okay, so do subscribe if you like this.